Please take some time and watch this video.
Hey, good morning, Cindy. I love this day.
Hey Mike, good morning. Indeed, it is a good day. I love it.
By the way, Cindy, do you know CharanasMedia?
Oh yeah, I have heard of CharanasMedia before.
So what about him?
He generated us through AI and he wants to teach people how to do it.
Do you hear my voice keeps changing? Haha.
Do you hear my voice keeps changing? Ha 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 ha.
Yeah. Ha ha ha, yeah, I understand. It is because you are not real. Come on, let us go home. Benson will show his audience how to create us.
So whatever you just watched is a video generated by AI tools. So in this video I'll show you on how to go step by step and create your own video. Maybe you are an aspiring content creator and you want to learn on how to make videos without struggling. This is a good way to start. So in this video we are going to use 3 free AI tools to generate our video. The first tool that we are going to use is called ChatGPT. I think it's something that you know already because it's so popular, and we're going to use ChatGPT to generate what we call prompts. Prompts are just instructions that you give to a given tool so that it can give out whatever you want. And we're also going to use a tool that is going to help us generate images. We have so many free tools that you can use to generate images, but for today we want to use PixVerse. So there are so many that you can use, but for today even ChatGPT itself can even generate images for you, but today we're going to use the one that I feel is going to be comfortable for us, called PixVerse. And without wasting time, I want us to get after it. This is an image. Whatever you can see right now is an image that I generated, and this is ChatGPT. And in ChatGPT I gave it a prompt. To begin with, I started by giving it a general prompt. Give me a prompt for image generation of an African teenager. So that is a general prompt, and this is what it gave me: a portrait of an African teenager standing outdoors, natural lighting, warm skin tone, blah blah blah, and so on. So that is a prompt that it gave me. So I had to copy it and then go back to what we call PixVerse. PixVerse is where I generate my images. So this image that you can see here, I had already made it. I had already created it. So I'll proceed to maybe first of all or maybe do another one. So I'm going to prompt it to give me now a girl, because that was a boy and I need a boy and a girl. So in this case I'm going to prompt it to give me a girl. So here we have a prompt, the prompt for the girl, and of course the way we did it previously, I'm going to copy it down, and then after I copy, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to paste it here. So I'll delete whatever I had before, and then right click, and then I'm supposed to paste this here. And of course after I paste it, I expect an image to appear right here, this area. Very good. That is our girl now. The girl. Now what I'll do, I'll download with a watermark, because this is not a subscribed version. Already I have my girl now, so I have 2 images already. So I'm going to also create another prompt for both a boy and a girl. So I'm going to write both boy and girl. There's a spelling mistake there, it should be girl. So in in the same picture. So I'm going to create a prompt that is going to generate a boy and a girl in the same picture. There you go. ChatGPT does it very fast. So the next thing I'll do is to copy the prompt as always, and then after I copy the prompt as always, I'm going to of course you understand that I'm going to paste it here in my PixVerse. Right click and paste right there, and then create. So every day PixVerse gives you some coins to use. Look at this case. In this case I have 80 now. For each picture I'll spend 5 coins. This is my picture already. My boy and girl are there in the same picture. I have downloaded it, and now I'll also go back to ChatGPT because I need more images. So I'll say I need to see them in full because I want them to be in full. So holding hands, of course, so that I see, because I might want to use that image. So here is the prompt again, very fast. I copy it down, and then of course I'll go back to my image generation tool, that is the PixVerse. Then delete the previous prompt, then right click, and then paste it here. So I need them in full holding hands. Let's see, I'm going to spend 5 more coins. I had 75 and now I have 70 coins left. I can generate so many images per day. So already I have that, and then maybe I'll have one more. I'll copy the one, the 2 boys, the 2 running, yeah, there we go. And then I download, and now I'm ready to use another tool now. So here I'm going to use another tool to do what we call video generation, and one of the popular tools to use is called the Grok. So Grok is my tool that I'm going to use to make my image move, and to do that I need to select an image, any of the images that I have already. Look, all these are the images that I had downloaded already. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select any of these, like this one. This was I think the first. Open it, and now it's going to be uploaded here. And now I'm going to, the moment you download already, it starts to generate a certain video based on what it can see in the image, so that you can see it has generated a video. But that's not what I want. I want my own preference. So I'm going to give it my prompt so that it can do what I want. So here I make a video. I can copy whatever I had written there and paste it over here. So I'm going to have my prompt. The boy should speak saying, "Hey, good morning, Cindy. I love this day." So this boy is going to talk to the girl, and the girl is called Cindy. You can see it's counting 34, 40, all the way to 50. It takes some time to generate that image. And here it's ready.
Hey, good morning, Cindy. I love this day. Hey, good morning, Cindy. I love this day.
Now I'll download. I'll also download the previous one that the Grok generated for me, because I might want to use it. So I'll do the same thing in the second image. So I'll upload the second image for the girl. This girl is called Cindy, and I'm going to also make her speak. Image to speak saying, "Hey Mike, good morning. Indeed, it's a good day." I love it. And then start generating. Remember, Grok already generated an image for me, and now here is the video. Let's listen.
Hey Mike, good morning. Indeed, it is a good day. I love it.
Wow.
Hey Mike, good morning. Indeed, it is a good day. I love it.
Cindy is so happy. Very good. So I'll do another one. So both of them, the images to speak in turn. Here you have to be specific. So I want the images to speak in turn, starting maybe with the boy or the girl. In this case, I'm going to begin with the boy. Say, by the way, Cindy, do you know CharanasMedia? You know, I made a mistake here. Should have been CharanasMedia, but Grok is going to be precise and say Charanas. I know. So I made a mistake intentionally. The girl should say, oh yeah, I have had CharanasMedia before. So let's generate and hear what it's going to generate. So it's generating. Here we go.
By the way, Cindy, do you know CharanasMedia?
Oh yeah, I have heard of CharanasMedia before.
Wow.
By the way, Cindy, do you know CharanasMedia?
Oh yeah, I have heard of CharanasMedia before.
So I'm going to also change the prompt. such that the girl to say, so what about him? The boy to say, he generated us through AI. And
He generated us through AI and
do it. Let's see.
So what about him?
he generated us through AI and he wants to teach people how to do it.
So what about him?
He generated us through AI and he wants to teach people how to do it.
I also want them to speak as they run. So the boy to say, come on, let us go home. Benson will show his audience how to create us. So that is how you do it, to create all the videos that you want, all the videos, and then thereafter what you're going to do, so you can see.
Come on, let us go home. Benson will show his audience how to create us.
Wow, this is so nice.
Come on, let us go home. Benson will show his audience how to create us.
I'll also download that.
Come on, let us go home. Benson will show his audience how to create us.
So that's how you do it, and the remaining part is now to combine those videos that you have generated and make sure you have a small script on how you can just prompt the images to speak, because you want to create something like a story. You can see I created these images speaking from good morning to you, it's a good day. So you have to create something like a story, so that at the end you're going to combine the images. So you can combine the images using software like maybe CapCut. Like myself, I combined using CapCut, or you can even use Premiere Pro, whichever software, editing software that you have. You can use it to combine the images and have a clear image or a clear and good video. So you can do it for free. Remember, you can create your own videos, start your own YouTube channel, upload them to TikTok, get views and followers, and of course you can even monetize your content, because these are free tools that you can use. No one is going to copyright you for using them, because they are AI generated. So that's how you can create a video using PixVerse, and you can use ChatGPT to make what you call a prompt or the instructions, and also you can use Grok to generate the video, or to prompt the images to act and speak. Remember to comment below of what you think about this video, and also remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.